Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can check Apple Watch battery on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So in order to check your battery of your Apple Watch, you'll have to add widget to your iPhone. So on your home screen, just like this, you can long press on the blank screen and then there will get the option of edit right here. Tap on it and then tap on add widget. So after doing that, here you can tap on the search bar right here and then search for batteries. Here you can see batteries right here. Tap on it and then you'll get widget just like this. So before doing that, make sure that you have paired with your Apple Watch, obviously. And after that, here you can see this is the battery status of my Apple Watch. So if you swipe left just like this, you'll get these kind of widget too. Again, if you swipe left, you'll also get these kind of widget. You can choose what kind of widget you like. For now, I'm going to do this one. So then you can tap on add widget. And then just like this, here you can even drag this widget down however you want, adjust it, and then simply tap on done. And just like this, you will be able to check Apple Watch battery on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.